Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video where I'm going to be trying to recreate at Mitchell. It's like a bunch of M's, Mitchell's, one of his looks. I have this pink one in mind and I'll try to like put it up on the screen somewhere. And I'm going to try to recreate it, try to do it because he is a god and his shit is really hard, I feel like, to do. He makes it look easy, but I feel like it's really hard. So I wanted to challenge myself today in doing that. Really excited to do this today. So I'm going to just jump into it. This is 3 minutes in now, and I feel like I need to test if the mic is working. So hold on. Okay, so my mic is working perfectly fine. I keep staring at myself. Landon! I feel like I should check on him. BRB. Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am back. This is gonna be so hard. I might be like looking over to the side the whole time, and I have so much energy today because. Okay, Sarah, you're like yelling into the mic. Anyway, so let's jump into it because my child is gonna get bored really fast. He starts with eyes first. I don't know if you guys ever seen Mitchell. Mitchell. But he's amazing. He starts with eyes first, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I think I'm gonna do one on camera and try to do one off camera. I'm going to start with the eyes, and it's like this pink look. Like I said, I'll put it on the screen. So first he starts with like a concealer, and I feel like my best concealer for this is the Insta-Ready one by Physician Formula. And this is in Fair. The only thing, this reminds me of like MAC Pro Longwear, honestly, but the pump is an annoying little bitch. Because it's like, dude, it doesn't let you control it. It's really hard. And it's like, bitch, I'm not going to use all that for a fucking eye look. Like, what is wrong with you? So, anyways, I'm going to take this Beige Cosmetics like concealer brush. And I like mine angled because it like goes like that when I'm doing cut creases, but he like taps it in. So stop. I'm gonna start. Is this the eye I want to start? This is the eye I'm starting. He pats pat. I'm just gonna try to keep packing it out now because it has creased, and he doesn't recommend that. Right here, and your girl's gonna see it's already creasing. I don't know how people do this. I'm so used to setting, but he says it works. Maybe because it's this cheap concealer and not the P. Louise base. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush from their Pro collection in my right hand and my son's hand, and I'm gonna pick up that shade that I just showed you guys. And I'm going to start doing the motions. If you watch his, maybe I'll like screen record my phone and I'll put like little clips in here of it. But this is hard with a child's head. But he like I don't know how to explain it. It's like really, really light blending strokes. So we're going to attempt that. And I'm gonna do it in like a circle motion. And he like taps it on and then like gets another like fluffy brush and like blends it. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just copying what I see on Instagram. Like, it's really not that intense in person. But I mean, it looks good. So he like taps it in there, right, to get like the most color payoff, and then takes like a fluffier brush. This is the one that was rubbed off in my last video, and then takes like I'm gonna take the shade from the NYX Ultimate palette that I said was like a canary one, which is this one right here. The lights are so harsh on this, like it looks crazy, but these are all different colors. Like some look the same. So I'm gonna take this one. Maybe you guys can see. Oh, Lord, Sierra. Oh, I'm going to take a this brush, and he like, you guys know what I'm talking about, but he gently goes like up and blends out those edges, and it's like this whole process. So we're gonna try to do that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of like put the pink back in there a little bit. And then he like, takes like a deep shade. So I'm gonna go into the blood sugar palette, and I'm gonna take Coma right here. And then I'm gonna take a clean, this is from the Gunmetal collection. I used to get it in their little monthly brush club with Morphe. This one doesn't have a number on it for some reason. I'm going to I'm closing both of my eyes, and not because I don't want to look at this. Like, to like cut it out, does like this packing motion of the color, like so that you get the most color payoff, if that makes sense. And I'm like, bitch, I'm getting a lot. And now I'm doing like, oh god, it's getting patchy, girls. It's getting patchy, girls. It's getting patchy. I feel like I need to like, bitch, that doesn't look too bad. This is turning out interesting. Okay, well. I feel like it needs to be darker. Like, it's not looking like his looked. And now I'm like taking this brush because I feel like the edges are so harsh. And he does it lightly, bitch. I need it to be a little bit more rough. So I'm gonna go into the NYX Ultimate palette and pick up this one right here. And I'm doing something. I can't tell you what, but I'm trying to go there. And I'm honestly doing it like really lightly. I feel like this area needs to be like worked on the most. I have a really bad problem with slouching. Don't judge me. So that the dark, okay, there we go. I'm gonna take the R one again, but I haven't picked anything. Well, I'm gonna pick a little bit of that hot pink from the Ultimate palette and like lightly blend out the edges. I feel like I went too far up with my brow, but girl, what are you gonna do? Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I'm impressed with myself. I want to take like I'm taking the R brush and I'm like brushing it off on my shirt and taking Sugar Cake right here, like the skin tone one from the Blood Sugar, just to like, I don't like how harsh that is up there, so I'm just gonna like try to blend it out. Landing on the bed. So I'm gonna cut the crease now with concealer, like all this, and then put this bitch ass bright pink from Jeffree Star. It's Cavity, and we're gonna see how it goes. Your girl's gonna try to cut the crease, and he taps it when he does this too. and not like close. Bitch, I'm nervous. Fuck. Okay. Bitch, this is a look, bitch. Wet n Wild flat brush. And I'm picking up Cavity from the Blood Sugar palette. And then he does a wing. Honestly, that does not look bad. I mean, like, it's not like him, but it's a good attempt. So I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'm going to do a... He does a wing, but I feel like I'm going to do my foundation and stuff, and then a wing. So, yeah. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, my eyebrows, and then we'll start foundation and do a wing. Or should I just finish the look? He does foundation after. I'm going to do a wing really quick because I'm not going to do that on camera, and then I'm going to do the other eye and then put lashes on, and then I'll be back. Okay? That sounds good. I should have told you guys instead of looking at the monitor, but... So, I did the rest of my face because my camera died. So, I'm going to finish off the eye look and put a lipstick on. Anyways, finished look. I feel like I did a decent job for this like type of look being my first. Yeah. I think it looks looks good on the monitor. That's all I gotta say. But anyways, yeah, that's it for my video today. This took like all day because I've been rushing. I've been feeding my son and doing all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me trying to recreate Mitchell, however you say it, one of his looks on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Please give me suggestions, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I just got 2 more subscribers from my last video, so thank you guys for that. And that's pretty much it, girl. I'm kind of digging this look in the monitor too, but I love you guys. See you in my next one, and